Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we are going to be doing another unboxing. Yes. Do you know what a mondegreen is? Simple question. Simple answer is it's a misheard lyric. You've heard some comedy sketches where they make out that proper lyrics for a song is something completely different, something funny, like Celine Dion's "The Heart Must Go On" is "The Hot Dogs Go On," or my personal favourite, "Dancing Queen" by ABBA. Instead of "feel the beat from a tambourine," it's "peel the meat from a tangerine." Well, in this particular unboxing we're going to investigate this a little more with misheard music. Yes, so let us slice open the cellophane on this box and then we can read it a little better. And what I'll also do is bring in my other lights, because I've just realised it's not set up correctly and you might not be able to see what's going on, so we'll do that. Here we go. Flip the 30-second timer, hold up a card to reveal the misheard song title or artist. Shout out the correct answer to win the card. Correctly guess as many cards as possible before the time runs out. The team with the most cards after 3 rounds wins. It's for ages 12 plus and for 2 plus players. Let's get in it and see what there is. Here we go. Here we have big thank you from Lucky Egg. I'll have a look at that a little bit later. And then we have the rule book. Basically, it's what it says on the back of the box. Split into 2 teams. The team with the worst taste in music are the guessers in the first round. The other team are the judges and take the card holder and timer. And what it said on the back of the box is repeated in here, but with a little more detail. So we have card holder. We have 350 song title cards, which are the blue ones, and 150 artist cards, which are the pink ones, and we have the timer. So there we are. There's the timer. It's just one of those little egg timer type things. We've all seen them before. Pop that back in there. We have cards. We have more cards, we have more cards, and we have more cards. And as you can see, all of these have got the blue thing on the back. We have the card holder and we have more cards. We've got plenty of cards in here. So let's just open one pack so we can actually see what there is, what kind of cards that we have inside, and that way we're not, oh hang on, I didn't see that. There is one of those little tag things to open the cards, like a pack of those things that we don't talk about anymore because it's sort of like bad for you. But you know the things, white sticks. So there we go. This is a song title, Damn Zinc Ween. Damn Zinc Ween. Damn Zinc Ween. And yeah, Dancing Queen, ABBA. So you would show that side to everybody, and this side the judge or the one who's drawn the card would keep hold of and be able to see. So there we are. Yes, see if you can suss that one out. Nike, cool, boo, play. Yeah. If you've got Michael Bublé, yep. There we go. Yeah, so that's basically it. You know, there's a good mix of blue and a good mix of pink, and we can just give them a bit of a shuffle, and then we're ready for playing. So we draw from this side and discard cards this side. So basically we can just take that out, show it to everybody, and that's the thing for the game. So there we are. That is about it. I can't show you any more because, well, basically you've seen it all. There's nothing more to show, other than just going through all of these cards. And to be honest, you know, there's loads of them, so we'll not go down that road. You've seen what there is inside, you've seen the kind of things we're looking at, so yeah, all that remains is to have a bit of a play with these, and hopefully it will be a fun game to play, especially if you do this after you play Grab the Mic, which I unboxed in a previous video. I plan on doing that on the 2nd of July, when I do another one of my game evenings for Let's Shape Our Creativity at the Royal Oak in Wigan. So yeah, these are going to definitely be put in the bag to take with me. But that's it for this video. I know it's short and sweet, but you've basically seen everything. You know what's inside now, and you know, yeah, that's all there is to it. Hopefully it's a fun game. That's it for this video. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.